Hello and welcome to another Aimco manufacturing video. In this video I'm going to show you a Konecranes air balancer that's suspended from a Gorbel bridge crane. And under the hook we're looking at an Aimco end effector. The control unit that we have on this is our automatic clamp and unclamp unit, our ACU, that turns the end effector from a state of on and off, alternating back and forth. All we have to do is run one air line to here, so it really works beautifully with a suspended up-down pendant. When we're reaching down into dunnage or a crate like this, and with the ACU it automatically turns the magnets on. So the attachment beneath our ACU is a dual magnet tool. Picking our part. And with the suspended pendant, we don't need to bend down or reach up. We can go as tall as the air balancer allows us to onto a stack such as this. Go all the way down, turn the magnets off, and come back up. Thanks for watching our demonstration. For more product videos or to learn more about lift assist and ergonomic handling, visit aimcomfg.com.